let's look back over the last 30 years, and particularly since you became a judge. Are there any changes in the practice of law that you've seen since either the beginning of your career or when you went on the bench?
Well, I guess the most obvious is the digital technology. That's, I think, probably obvious to everybody. When I was in law school, Lexis had just come out, but it was so user unfriendly. If you made one mistake, like once even a spacing mistake, the whole thing shut down. And look where we are now. So that is an obvious thing. As far as the courts go, there have been monumental changes in the courts with the whole focus now on family courts, problem-solving courts, therapeutic jurisprudence. That's a huge change. Huge change with just the number of people that are coming into court without lawyers. The pro se population is booming. Professionalism is always a concern. I mean, the Eastern Shore is ranked consistently high when they do the surveys of practitioners, that they're still really happy.
Right.
Because I think there's still a sense of community here because we're smaller.
Right.
But I'm seeing signs that is even changing, and it all boils down to having relationships, with the lawyers in your community, knowing your community, and I'm seeing, unfortunately, some changes there.
Right. Well, so do you have any advice, looking back again on your career, not only as a judge but all the way back to 1980? Do you have any advice for people that are starting out in the practice of law today?
Find a mentor. If you can build a relationship with a lawyer that you respect in whatever field it is you want to practice, and really search that person out, seek them out. My experience has been that the older lawyers, they want to give back because we want to continue excellence in the bar. And so seek out a mentor. I mean, if you're a solo practitioner, look in your community, even go to the bench. I think a lot of people are afraid to approach judges, but we're very approachable.
Right.
And so I think that's really important. Find your mentor.